So Ronald is buying a rectangular chest to store his carpentry tools. The height of the chest in feet is represented by the function h of x is equal to x plus 6. The area of the base of the chest in square feet is represented by the function a of x equals 20 root x over 3. In both functions, x represents the width of the chest in feet. To find a function that represents the volume of the chest, Ronald should blank the functions. Okay. And then the functions that represent the volume of the chest would be the result. So it says that the area of the, so this is a, the chest looks like this. And the area is like this part right here. That's the area, which is represented by the function a of x is equal to 20 root x over 3. And then the width of the chest, that's the area, but the height of the box would be like this wall right here, and the height is a function of x, and that's equal to x plus 6. Okay? So now to find the volume of this, the volume as a function of x is equal to the height times the area. So this should say multiply. You multiply those two functions. So now let's actually do that. So the volume of this is the height which is equal to x plus 6 times 20 root x all over 3. So when you distribute that through, the volume of this is equal to 20 root x over 3 times x is just 20 x square root x over 3. Plus, and this next one would be 6 times 20, which is 120 root x over 3. But that actually reduces down to 20x root x over 3. And then 120 divided by 3 is actually equal to 40. So this becomes 40 root x. So that what goes in the box is this positive 40. And that's it.